Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this today's video, another stack application I'm trying to explain, which is nothing but I want to calculate reverse of the given string. This is nothing but my requirement. I want to calculate reverse of the given string. It's a very simple, sir. Listen carefully. Suppose consider I have a string is there, okay, like Java. I have a string is there like Java. I want to reverse this string. So my expected output is AVAJ, like that I want to get. And remember carefully, whenever reverse operation is coming, whether it may be a string or number, okay, or a queue or a stack, anything, compulsory you can go for stack data structure. The reason behind this one is, suppose if you have a stack here, I'm going to scan the first character, push it into the stack, which is nothing but J. Scan the second character, push it into the stack. Scan the third character, push it into the stack. Scan the next character, push it into the stack. Now pop one by one item from the stack. First popped item is A. Next one is V. Next one is A. Next one is J. I hope you can see, is it reverse of the given string or not? Yes. Like that we can use. The application of stack is nothing but whenever you are pushing some items into the stack, so in which order you pushed, in the reverse order you can get, because the basic nature of stack is last in first out. Taking this as an advantage, I'm going to calculate reverse of the given string. Let us see how you can able to do. But to develop this application, I'm going to take one function like public static. It does not return any value. Let us take it as a void. Okay. Or if you want to, you can return in the form of string. So I'm taking the method name as a reverse, but it is going to accept string buffer as the argument. What is argument that it is going to take? String buffer. Even if you have a string, better to convert that into string buffer so that we can get some advantage. And I told already, stack must be required. What type of data it is going to hold? Sir, is it characters only, right? So let me take stack is equal to, I am creating a new stack which is holding character type of data. Since we are working with the stack, better to import that stack class, right? In the main method, first step, I will create a string. Let us assume the data which you have in the form of a string. So now what I am doing, I will convert that into string buffer. So string buffer SB is equal to, so new string buffer of, better you can take Java itself, because directly also we can do, right? You can create a string buffer object. Now system.out.println of, I am trying to print a string buffer. What output we are expecting? Java. Now I'm going to call reverse function where I will pass that string buffer. After that, since it is a string buffer, what type of object it is? Mutable, right? If you are doing any modification, it will reflect. Suppose consider I want to print SB. What is my expected output? AV, AJ, right? So how you can handle this situation? That's we are going to discuss. I hope the total scenario is very clear for you. Now, what we have to do is, I'm going to, just for your understanding purpose, I'm writing a simple string, whatever we have, with how many characters? 4 characters. In 0th location, we have a character called J. In first location, we have a character called A. In second location, we have a character called V. In third location, we have a character called A. Like that, totally we have 4 characters are there. Now, so I'm going to take one stack also. Okay. The given input is nothing but what? Java, right? The given input is nothing but Java. Now listen carefully how I am going to run the total show. Listen, friends. First step, I am going to take a loop. What is that loop? Is for integer I is equal to 0, I less than sb dot length I plus plus. I'm writing a loop. By using this loop, what I'm going to do is I will find out the characters one by one, and then I will push those characters into stack. So given string buffer object is sb char at of I. Let us see how this for loop is going to work. What is the purpose of this for loop? Fetch characters one by one from SB and push it into stack. Let me parallelly explain this one also. Right. Sir, what is the first character that we are going to get? J. Try to push that into a stack. Okay, fine. Get the second character. Try to push that. Get the third character. Try to push that. Get the fourth character. Try to push that. Sir, all the characters one by one, I fetched from the given string and I push it into the stack. Okay, fine. Then pop those characters one by one. Take the same loop. Don't change anything. So pop one by one character from stack, not from the input string. How you can pop? Sir, how many characters are there? We know, right? I is equal to 0, I less than sb dot length I plus plus. I am going to pop one by one character. Very, very important step, sir. How you are going to pop? Stack dot pop. It is going to return the character A. Which character will be returned? A. But we have to store that character A into which location? 0th location. Sir, because it is a string buffer, right? Can I do modification on this? Yes, happily you can do. In which location? 0th location. How you can update? In string buffer, there is one special method is there with name set char at, which is going to take the index and the corresponding character is nothing but whatever we are popping from the stack. Have you observed? The character A is going to be stored in 0th location. Sir, when I is equal to 1, what will happen? One more time pop operation is going to be performed. Sir, is it V or not? Yes. Where it will be stored? In first location. Perfect. Next time A, where it will be stored? In second location. Perfect. Next time J, where it will be stored? In third location. Now, what is the content, sir? Is it AV, AJ or not? Yes. Is it reverse or not? That's all, friends. And here we are not required to do anything. No need to return. Directly this program is going to execute. I hope you understood very clearly. So what is going to be happened in the background? Okay. Right, friends. Let us execute this code and check really is it working or not. Okay. Now I'm going to run this code. You can see the output is Java and AVAJ, something like that we are getting. Let us change this to Python. Let us run. Sir, now you can see Python and reverse came or not. Yes. Now I'm going to take my name like Prakash. Sir, is reverse is happening or not? Yes. Like that, we can calculate reverse of the given string by using this stack mechanism. This is also one of the application of stack data structure. I hope you understood very clearly what is happening in the background. Right, friends? Thank you.